my name is Aditya Vella. You are watching Webercoder. Today I am going to teach you about HTML and CSS. This video will mostly contain HTML because if I added CSS in that, then this video is going to be pretty large. So if you want to learn web development, so this is the best video you can learn it from. And share this video with your friends that also want to learn web development, and subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So let's get started. So first of all, take a look at HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language that is used for web page development, not for designing purpose. For designing, we need to use CSS, which is Cascading Style Sheet, which apply design to your contents, whatever you put on the web. HTML is a language that contains predefined tags such as header, body tag, then title, HTML tag as well. You cannot define your own tags in it like XML or something else. HTML contains various components like button, text box, table, then also you can use hyperlinks in that. Forms is also available in HTML. HTML is basically used to present data on the web. It basically does nothing other than that. Now let's take a look at default syntax for an HTML page. To write a HTML program, what we need to write. All of these are optional. So the first is HTML tag. It tells the browser that this document has a HTML code, so the browser can render that code. It contains all the tags in an HTML document. HTML, you can say that it is a root tag for all the elements in the HTML. Then after that is a head tag. Head tag, it represents the head section of your document. It has various tags inside it like title, meta tag, script. If you want to use a JavaScript, then you can link a JavaScript using a script tag. Then there is also style tag is also there. So if you want your CSS embedded in an HTML document, so you can use that style tag. And if you want to link an external CSS file to an HTML document, then you can use the link tag. There are some attributes with the link tag associated with it. After the header tag, the next tag is body tag. The body tag defines the document body and it contains all the content of an HTML document such as an image, hyperlink, link, tables, list and all that. In HTML, every tag has a special ending tag which I am showing here, which is preceded by a diagonal and the name of the tag. Now let's see some practical.
Now you are looking at a default HTML page. So to show you, first start with an heading tag. There are 6 heading tags in HTML, so each with a different size. The biggest one is the H1 and the smallest one is H2. So let's see its practical. Now to show you all other 6 tags, I am just copying the text and changing the tag name from H1 to H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now you can see the differences between the fonts. If you want to write a paragraph on your web page, then you need to use a p tag. This is how you can do it. If you want to put an image into your web page, then you can do it with the img tag. It has attributes like src and alt. Src will get the information about the path of your image file, and the alt will show the text if the image could not be loaded. Remember to give the path where the image is stored. I am giving directly the name because I stored the image in the same directory where I stored the file. Div is just another tag in HTML. It is used to make a container in which all the elements can be stored. I am also applying style to the div element so you can understand where the div element is actually residing. This is the width and this is the height of the div element, and after that the left attribute specifies that there is no space should be left at the left end of the container. Now you can see that the div element size and the two elements in it, like the h1 and paragraph. You can insert table into your web page by specifying table tag. There is a tr tag which stands for table row. It creates a new row. The th tag is for the table header, and when we close the tr tag, the row is ended, and after when we create another tr tag, the new row is started. The td tag stands for table data to display the contents available in the table. To show the table neatly, I am applying some border to it like this. If you want to navigate to another page, you can give a link of that page in an anchor tag, and the href attribute specifies the name of the page you want to relocate. This is just a sample page, I am still developing it. If you want to list some elements in a web page, you can do it by using UL, which stands for unordered list, or OL, which stands for ordered list. The LI stands for list, and it gives various options for denoting a list like a bullet, field circle, or a empty circle. If you want to insert a one-line space between any content, then you can use the BR tag like this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and do share.